Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Jordan Williams. Today's 3-minute injury report is about golfer's elbow, what it is, how it happens, and what you can do to help prevent it and fix it. So, golfer's elbow. Do you have to be playing golf in order to have golfer's elbow? Do you have to go to the country club? Not so much. You can definitely get golfer's elbow from a lot of different things, but most commonly it's a strain when you're doing an inside motion, when you're trying to do something over and over, that you're rotating your wrist in, such as golfing, getting that little bit of a flick to get that extra 10, 20, 100 yards even if you're super awesome. This is something they actually train with, but it's something that can cause quite a bit of pain on the inside of the elbow. So let's talk about that. If we look at the elbow on the inside here, it's similar actually to the outside in that this bone and this bone come together and they have a mass of muscles that is in between them that is helping to move the wrist. This mass attaches down here in the fingers and the wrist, but it originates up here. Like I said, when you're doing something over and over again in this direction, that can cause quite a bit of pain in the elbow. Now, when this happens, it's really painful to do some gripping, do some of those motions, twisting, doing some of these activities that you want to do without having a problem. So what can you do about it? Well, if you saw our earlier video on tennis elbow, the opposite thing of golfer's elbow, you might recognize some of these exercises, but we actually want to emphasize the opposite muscles on the opposite side of the arm in order to get them working differently than the tennis elbow muscles. So check out that video when you get a chance. And just like in that video, we're going to use the super awesome Proof Physical Therapy water bottle to be 1,000 times more effective than a regular everyday water bottle. So what you want to do is take that water bottle and let that drop down, get that big stretch there, and then come all the way up. When you're doing this, you'll notice I'm using these muscles a whole lot more here when I'm coming up and down there. Tennis elbow, you would do opposite. Golfer's elbow, you do this. The second thing that you want to do is stretch out just like that. Stretch these muscles there, make sure that they're nice and tight, and then relax. Again, getting that motion. The first one, we're really working the muscles. This one, we're really kind of stretching and working them at the same time. So those two are the most basic exercises that you can do in order to get that muscle, those muscles on the inside of the elbow working and getting them less painful. The last one that you would do is take your super awesome water bottle, make sure the logo's out, and you're going to rotate in and out. Nice and easy. This is going to get, again, some of those muscles working and stretched at the same time. So these three would be the most basic exercises that we'd be able to give you to start on your path to recovery, start becoming pain-free while you're golfing, while you're hammering, while you're doing any of these things. I would love to hear about it. If you try these exercises and you found some relief with it, drop us a comment in the box below. If you are still struggling to get over the pain with it or you're still having some irritation, we'd also love to hear about that. So please give us a comment or definitely give us a call and come in, and we'd love to be able to help you out. We'll talk to you soon.